Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by checking exactly what drains the battery. Open Settings, Battery, and note the top apps with the highest percentage. Once done, force stop or uninstall any recent high-usage app and turn off its background activity. Restart the phone to clear transient wake locks, and then boot into safe mode to confirm whether a third-party app caused the drain. Make sure to write down affected apps so you can reinstall selectively or replace them with lighter alternatives. Now you optimize system settings that quietly eat battery. Lower display brightness and reduce screen timeout. Enable adaptive brightness if it helps. Once done, disable Bluetooth, NFC, and location when you're not using them, and prefer Wi-Fi for data. Cellular radios use more power. Make sure to limit app sync frequency, restrict background data for non-essential apps, and keep all apps and system software updated because patches often finish by cleaning residual causes and, if needed, resetting. Clear app caches or boot to recovery to wipe the cache partition. This removes corrupt temporary files that cause wake locks. If drain persists, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort, then monitor battery behavior before restoring everything. Make sure to test in safe mode to confirm whether hardware or software is at fault. If issues continue, the key troubleshooting tip is to run a hardware test or visit repair service for a battery replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.